Breville Smart Oven Review. A great option for cooking connoisseurs that want a high-quality and versatile device that can also air fry. If you're looking for an appliance that offers the same benefits as an air fryer, toaster, oven and dehydrator in one, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is the way to go. While on the pricier end, the Breville is packed with features and special touches that make cooking your favorite mains and side dishes a breeze. Its super powerful heating elements cook food more quickly and thoroughly than traditional appliances, great for those, like me, who are always antsy to get food on the table. Pros. Offers 13 cooking functions, including a keep warm function. Heats quickly and performed well in lab and consumer testing. Cooks a large volume of food at once. Accommodates several standard baking pan sizes. Cons. Large footprint might not suit all kitchens. Takes longer to toast than some other ovens. Not the strongest air fryer. Performance comparison. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro offers more than a dozen cooking functions, which is great for anyone who wants the flexibility of using the same appliance to roast a chicken, toast bread, and bake a batch of cookies, plus so much more. The lab experts commented on its versatility, especially in comparison to other brands and models. Toasting. To test how evenly toaster ovens heat, the experts in the Kitchen Appliances lab place slices of white bread side by side on one of the racks and measure how quickly and evenly they toast at various settings. Breville products received lower scores for toasting than some other toaster ovens. Toasting took about a minute longer, and the slices of bread weren't the most evenly browned. In my personal testing, toasting up a bagel or slice of bread for breakfast, I noticed the variations in darkness, but it hasn't been much of an issue. Roasting and baking. The roasting and baking functions, however, earned high scores in our lab testing. We roasted a 4-pound chicken and were pleased with the results, juicy, with crispy skin. We used the included pizza pan and pizza function to cook a frozen pizza and were impressed with the golden crust and evenly browned cheese. Our cake baking test produced pleasant results, as well. At home, I often use this appliance instead of my oven. I'm usually cooking for two, and this countertop oven heats up more quickly than my full-size oven and doesn't make my whole kitchen hot. Win-win. I love throwing 1 or 2 cookies in and using the bake function for a sweet post-dinner treat. One consumer tester raved about this appliance after 8 months of testing, saying it's probably one of my favorite things I own. I honestly use it more than I use my actual oven. It's just so easy and takes like 2 seconds to heat up. Air frying. When compared with other air fryer models, including air fryer toaster ovens and especially basket-style air fryers, we found that others scored higher during lab testing. The Breville air fryer toaster ovens didn't make wings and frozen fries as crispy as others. I find that the appliance gets smoky if I air fry anything oily or greasy, like marinated foods or chicken wings. Smoking and steam were also flagged by our lab and our consumer testers. Papantonia points out that this air fryer toaster oven doesn't have a tray under the air fryer basket, so oil and fat drip onto the exposed heat source on the bottom. I air fried bacon once and immediately regretted it. While I love using the Breville air fryer function to make crispy air fryer tofu and have found success with recipes that call for air frying something in a ramekin, like peanut butter molten chocolate cakes, I prefer my basket-style air fryer. I find it more convenient since I don't need to find a potholder to shake the food halfway through and can easily pop the basket into the dishwasher afterward. How we tested. Model, we cook chicken wings to see how quickly and evenly they crisp up. Toast dozens of slices of bread at different settings to evaluate evenness of browning and timing. Air fry frozen French fries to assess goldenness, crispness, and moistness. Make frozen pizza to see how evenly the cheese melts and whether the crust is done. Bake a cake to see how evenly it cooks. Broil steak to gauge the strength and efficacy. Over the past 4 years, I have used the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro in my home kitchen, an estimated 5 times per week. I have toasted hundreds of slices of bread, as well as dozens of bagels and frozen waffles. I experimented with a variety of air fryer recipes, ranging from meatloaf, fish and tofu to air fryer eggplant parmesan, crispy chickpeas and fajitas. I have also broiled open-faced cheese sandwiches, roasted black beans, baked chocolate chip cookies, dehydrated apple slices and reheated countless leftovers, sesame chicken, grain bowls, slices of pizza, you name it. Consumer testers have had the opportunity to use the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro for over 8 months and provided us with feedback and updates about their experiences with this appliance. So how does the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro stack up against other popular air fryer ovens on the market? Breville vs Ninja Footy Smart XL Air Oven. The Ninja Footy is similar to the Breville in many ways. It has intuitive controls and evenly browns food on its bake and air fry functions. The Ninja is more budget-friendly, while Breville tends to be more of a splurge. However, the Breville offers more settings than the Ninja, including low-temp presets like proof and slow cook. Breville vs Cassourie Air Fryer Oven. You can find the Cassourie Air Fryer Oven online for nearly half the price of the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, making it the more economical option. Cassourie offers similar controls to the Breville and even comes with accessories to cook rotisserie chicken. Fun! While trying out the models, our test kitchen found Breville to be more dependable, solid, and sturdy, with Lux bells and whistles. Breville vs Chefman TurboFry Air Fryer XL. Both appliances are top-notch air fryers with a large cooking capacity. The Chefman can hold a whopping 8 quarts in its air fryer basket. However, the Chefman air fryer is a traditional air fryer with one primary cooking mode, while the Breville Smart Oven is multifunctional and similar in size and shape to a convection toaster oven. Should you buy the Breville Smart Oven Air? Anyone looking for a single appliance that can act as both a toaster oven and an air fryer will be very happy with the Smart Oven Air. It is not the cheapest option available, but it did well in our cooking tests, cleans up easily, and offers the convenience of multiple high-quality appliances in one.